Are you aware of the I-821 application for temporary protected status? This application is a lifeline, a form of immigration relief for individuals currently in the United States who, due to ongoing armed conflict, environmental disasters, or other extraordinary conditions, cannot safely return to their home countries. It's a beacon of hope for many, illuminating the path to security and stability. Introduced by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, the I-821 application is a crucial instrument in the intricate symphony that is the immigration process. It's not just a form, but a potential key to unlocking the door to a safer, brighter future. Just imagine, with the successful submission of this application, you could be on your way to securing your status and establishing your roots in the land of opportunities. Understanding this application process can be the key to securing your status in the United States. The I-821 application process may seem daunting, but it's all about following the right steps. So let's dive into these steps together, shall we? First off, gather all the necessary documentation. This could include proof of identity, proof of nationality, and proof of residence in the United States as of the required date. Remember, the more comprehensive your documents are, the smoother your application process will be. Next up, you'll need to complete the I-821 form. This form is your formal request for temporary protected status. It's crucial to fill out this form accurately and completely. Any omission or error could potentially derail your application. So take your time, double-check each entry, and ensure that everything is spot on. Once your form is filled and your documents are in order, it's time to submit your application. But wait, there's a catch. Starting April 1st, 2024, there's been a shift in the application fees. So make sure to check out the new fees before you send in your application. Applications must be postmarked on or after this date to comply with the new fee adjustments. And let's not forget, your application should include evidence that supports your eligibility for temporary protected status. This could be anything from medical records to court documents. The key is to provide solid proof that substantiates your claims. Lastly, remember that accuracy is paramount in this process. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, reviews every application meticulously. So make sure your information is precise, your documents are authentic, and your evidence is compelling. A well-prepared application is your ticket to a successful I-821 process. Even with thorough preparation, challenges can arise in the application process. Let's unpack some of those hurdles. Language barriers can often present a big obstacle. Legal jargon and complex immigration laws are daunting enough in your native language, let alone a second one. This can lead to misunderstandings or errors in your application, which could delay or even jeopardize your case. Then there's the fear of the process itself. It's long, it's complicated, and it can be incredibly intimidating. The fear of making a mistake, of missing a crucial piece of information, or of simply not understanding the process can be overwhelming. But here's the good news. These challenges are not insurmountable. Seeking professional assistance can make a world of difference. Immigration consultants can help break down these complex laws into understandable terms, guide you through the application process, and alleviate some of the fear and stress. Remember, you don't have to face these challenges alone. At Navas Automation, we're here to make the immigration process easier for you. Our team of dedicated immigration consultants specializes in guiding you through the intricate maze of the I-821 application process. We understand the complexities of the system and are committed to providing personalized assistance tailored to your unique situation. Our expertise in the field of immigration consultation enables us to navigate the ever-changing landscape of immigration laws and regulations, ensuring that your application is prepared correctly and submitted in a timely manner. We don't just stop at paperwork. We're here to provide you with the guidance and support you need throughout your journey towards achieving your American dream. At Navas Automation, we believe in the power of dreams and the importance of making them a reality. Our mission is to assist you in making your American dream come true by providing you with the best possible immigration consultation services. Remember, with Navas Automation, you're not just a client, you're part of our family. working towards the same dream. Ready to take the next step towards your American dream? Don't navigate this journey alone. Schedule a call with us at Navas Automation. We're here to provide personalized assistance with your immigration needs. We look forward to helping you navigate your journey to a brighter future in the United States.